Listing an item on eBay can seem very intimidating. In this how-to, I will show you how to list your items. Start by going to eBay after you've created a seller account. In the top right-hand corner, select My eBay. You can build listings in a variety of ways. This is just the way I do it. Hover over listings at the top of the screen, then select Create Listing. You can search for a product by entering a UPC or product name, or you can browse categories. Select a category from the drop-down menu. Now we just start filling in information. You can use numerous fields here. I'm simply going to discuss the most common. Choose a title that will be easy to locate in searches. You can search eBay for things that are similar to yours and use the title information from those listings. Pick a condition from the drop-down. If the item is used, be sure to add information about the item's condition. Now, add your photos. Select any item specifics that match your item. Write a good detailed description. Sellers these days appear to overlook this, which damages their sales. The description is a great place to include more keywords and include any information about the item. You can also list other information like seller rules or return policy information. Choose whether you want to sell the item buy it now or put it up for auction. Pick when you want to start your listing. Add your price or starting price for an auction-style listing. If you choose, you can add the Make Best Offer option. I always do this. If you have more than one, make sure to add the quantity. Now choose your return options. Pick your shipping options. I almost always go with calculated. Then I add the weight of the packaged item and the dimensions of the box. This ensures I charge the correct amount every time. Once you're satisfied, list your item. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, like, or follow me to keep up on all of our great videos. Thanks for watching.